Hi everyone, well welcome back. I'm just showing you my new air fryer that I've bought. It's one by Weight Watchers. And there's the, as you see it's brand new, there's the little drawer thing. And I'm going to cook my sausages ready for my dinner that I'm doing. And I'm going to show you that I'm doing them in the air fryer, which runs off my inverter. Which at the minute, because it's, as you can see, it's lovely and sunny outside, it will literally cook off the solar, and it won't cost me anything to out my batteries. So this is a first time I've used it. To get it ready, I need to take this off, which is a protective cover. This is like a drip tray idea that you can put your stuff on and it keeps it off the bottom. But what I'm going to do, I haven't got any silicone inserts at the minute, because you can use silicone inserts inside there which stops it getting dirty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my new pan set which I got from Poundland, which is this. It's all stainless steel and it comes with two pans. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my sausages in there, in the bottom of there, so the fat doesn't drip in the bottom. So I've only, oh, making a noise, so I've only got the pot bit to clean out. So that's what I'm going to do. It comes with a booklet, tells you the cooking times for things as well. Where are we? In fact, I'm going to cook them. I'm going to cook some mushrooms as well. So what we do, we get our sausages, which I keep in these Chinese containers, and we put my spatulas, tongs, sorry. Let's put 4 chipolatas in. Back in my fridge. Right, these are now got to go in the air fryer. And what you do, you dial up your temperature, which is here. So I'm going to dial the temperature up to about 190, which is about there. And I'm going to give them 10 minutes. And there it is, the air fryer is on. It is cooking away. And when I now go and look in my cupboard, my battery is in the middle, hasn't touched the battery. It is all running off the sun. The solar's coming in on the left hand side, as you can see. We're at 13 volts still, and the food is cooking literally off of the sun. So I'll give that 10 minutes. Let's leave that there. I'll give it 10 minutes and then I'll come back to you and show you how they've cooked. They take between 10 and 14 minutes, it says. Being chipolatas, they're thinner, so I'm just going to give them 10 and try it first. I'll say this is the first time I'm cooking with this air fryer. It goes tick, 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 and when it finishes it tings and turns off. So we shall see how it does. Well, I can tell you what, it smells good. At the back here you've got a vent where the hot air comes out. Oh, that smells like proper sausages cooking. They've had about 8 minutes. Let's have a look, see how they're doing. Oh yes, look at them. They're not far off done. Look at that, and that was only 8 minutes in. 8 minutes to cook those. Whereas if I'd have had the gas on, it took a lot longer. I've just turned the sausages over to give them a bit more of a brown on the other side. They are browning up nice. They've had nearly 10 minutes, so when this tings, I'm going to give them another 4 minutes. And that was on 190 on the temperature. Like I say, it's all cooking just off the solar. There's nothing come out with batteries at all. So that's great. And all I do is just bring this little extension lead over. It's down the back of here. You can see my inverter there. And there it was, just tinged. So I'm going to give it another 4 minutes. Give that another 4 minutes. Then I can put my mushrooms in. And there they are, cooked. Look at them. 14 minutes. All cooked from the solar. So now what I'm going to do, get my other pan, remembering not to touch that other pan because it's going to be really hot. Now I'm going to cook my mushrooms. I'll put a little bit of this on them, light fry oil, and I'm going to crack them with a bit of pepper. Use my tongs so I don't burn myself. Take that out. Put the mushrooms in. And I'm thinking 180, and I'm going to give them 5 minutes and try them and see how that comes out. And at that guy over there with a motorhome, his belt's come off that he's just fitted, so I've lent him some tools that I had in the back. Tell you what, them sausages, bloody lovely. Anyway, I can't eat them because I'm doing them with mash. Mash and a carrot and some potatoes. Or some mash as such. And the mushrooms are cooking nice. Alright, the mushrooms are doing nice, and this guy over here I've just lent some tools to. If I can see it, he's got a garage in Bristol. Now look, VJ Autos, and there's his number. He's given me a pen with a little light in it. He's also given me, because he's Portuguese originally, from Portugal, he's given me a Portuguese beer. So, yeah, excellent. And there they are, over there. Just on their way. Perfect. Oh, look at this. This guy's kind. He's given me a key ring and a bottle opener as well now, look. With his garage on it. There you go. Look, I only lent him a socket and a bar. Still, it's nice that people are like that. Gratitude, see? Gratitude, it's nice. Right, let's have a look at these mushrooms. See how they're doing. Yeah, look at them. Perfect. Another few minutes, they'll be done. Spot on. Dinner is serving soon. It's the way life used to work. People used to help you out and you'd help them out. And that's what he just said. He said, if you're ever in Bristol or near Bristol or break down anywhere, give me a call. And he said, I'll come out and help you out. What a lovely guy. There we go. Set you up there. Got my pan of water on now for me potatoes. I'm just about to peel these. Hopefully this time don't do too many. Although it was nice last time because I fried them up the next day. They were rather lovely, but I don't know what I'm having tomorrow yet, so that's one. I'm going to do 3 for mash. Cut these ones back a bit actually, they're just starting to sprout a little bit, but they're still okay. They still smell fine. Yeah, look, you can see on there, where is it? On there that they're just starting to grow a little bit. I've had them in there a couple of weeks, and I bought some the other day for some reason. Oh, I bought salad ones the other day because I fancy salad potatoes, but yes. Right, Well, that's them 3 peeled, so I've just got to wash them. And once they're washed, I can pop them in. Just getting my carrots in now. I've swapped the pans over, as the carrots don't need as much cooking as the potatoes. Go on, I managed to buy 1 carrot today, so I only need 1 for myself. And I've got a tin of sweet corn to go in with it. Lovely. And what I shall do, I shall use this little tin to make my gravy in. Then I can just chuck the tin away. Chuck the label off. So it don't set alight. A little bit of water in the tin, which I'll warm up in a minute, and that'll do me gravy. There we go, everything's bubbling away. Right, I've now put the little tin that I want to warm my water up in with my gravy inside that. Inside the carrots, so that'll warm up nice. There's my gravy, deluxe beef gravy from Lidl's. Right, I've just put the air fryer back on now. It's on about 90 degrees. Give that 10 minutes, that'll warm all that back up lovely. And by that time this will be ready, and I'll be ready to... Hey, can't wait, I'm starving. There you go, look, perfect gravy. No washing up, just chuck the tin away when I'm finished. Happy days, that's nearly done. Getting on with the mash. And there we have it. Bangers and mash, carrots, sweet corn and some mushrooms. Cooked with air fryer and a little bit of gas. I'm going to go and enjoy this. Catch you all later.